Risika. My name is.
My father.
My father's name is Ravi Shankar. My father.
Mother's.
My
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು.
name is. My mother's name is. Lakshmi.
My sister's.
My sister's name is Jessica.
I am
47.
My birthday is on.
My birthday is on September 30.
Okay. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
Thank
you, ma'am.
Did you have your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go. My name.
My name is Vijayata. My brother's name is Vijay. My brother's name is Anusa.
I am.
47.
My birthday is on.
June 8.
My birthday is on June 8.
My birthday is on June 8.
Did you have your breakfast?
Did you have your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you today?
Are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm good. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, go.
Go.
My father's. My mother's. I am. My birthday. January 23. Did you have your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, go sit down.
My name is Anuya.
My father's name is
Shankar.
My mother's name
is Kokila.
My brother's name is I am.
Padisha.
Okay. Did you my birthday is on June. October 20 27. Did you have your breakfast? How are you today? I'm fine. Okay, go. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Friday.
Saturday,
Sunday. Months of the year. January,
February,
March,
April,
May,
July,
July,
August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, good.
Monday,
Okay. Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
Sunday. Months of the year.
January, February, March, April, June,
May,
June, July, August,
September,
October,
November, December. The week.
Sunday,
Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday,
Friday.
Saturday, Sunday.
Months of the year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Good. Days of the week. Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
hold your hands. Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Sunday,
Months of the year.
Saturday, January,
February,
March, April, May, June, July, August,
September,
October, November, December.
Very good.